Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man, and good morning, good morning. Yeah, man. Adidas kid. Yeah, man, they're on the case again. On the voice of Bread Miller YouTube channel. Yes, as usual, I was up on the beach with the brother. The farm would often be a beach as usual. You know, see? Yeah, man. One people if you know say, yeah, man. To the man D.Cup start, you know. To the man D.Cup season kick off. Because I never did a catching all Saturday. Because I never wedding for them. So the 3 match play a catching all, you know, see, I don't get to see them. You know, say, when you come on to certain works, you know, say weddings and anything, you know, I them think the money I find, weddings and funerals and all them things, you know. So when they run schoolboy football, I don't make no money to, I don't make no money, you know. Just because the love of it still, I just show interest and try to promote the youth them. Because when you come on to sports, to me, it's not all about money. It's the love and the passion of the thing. Yeah, man, so what I say now, say today now, because I don't really talk too long. I don't really talk too long, you know, because I always say that, you know, I just bag of long talking still, because I go in a seat. Because what I say, today, in a seat, I'm going to start my D.Cup coverage. Yeah, man, because I love schoolboy football, you know. I play schoolboy football, you know. In a seat. Both for States and Knibb. And all of me I say, I wish all the schools are my best. May the best school win the Cup this area. In a seat. You know, Clarendon are winning for the, you know, for the past 4 years and so forth. So if Clarendon can defend him thing. You know, see it. So I go see what I go on. He's a freelance man right now. You know, see, because I work for my own now. So I go. You know, see it. You can go anywhere and go do anything I want. And cover and give me coverage on certain levels. Because I pay a positive thing to be dealing with, you know. That is me. I want to enjoy the D.Cup season this year. But what I want to say, I go concentrate mainly in Trelawney still, you know. I'm glad to know that Muschett and Alan come back in the thing. Along with Knibb and Steady Titus in the seat. I have Spot Valley and D.Cup Bay in the seat. So when you come on to the thing at Trelawney, I go there at Trelawney enough now. Back in the days, you know, one never used to see me at Trelawney enough, you know. I mean live in a St. Elizabeth, you know. That's why I say the behind States. Yeah, man, I live down a St. Because I live down a St. Elizabeth from when, you see, from about 2017. You know, see me they move to St. Elizabeth left. Just because of the schoolboy football thing and something. I don't too stressed on that still. That's why people need to see me enough run the football thing at Trelawney. But now I'm back at Trelawney now. Yeah, man. I'm 8. The day now I'm not going away again. And yes, I go this. So, all of me I say, I got enough vibes. Because right now you see me now, I got a match today, Muschett and Knibb school today. That me I cover today. In a seat. Saturday, I go cover. You have a funeral for the Saturday. You have a funeral for live stream Saturday. Yeah, man, step me before I'm a stepfather funeral. Yeah, man, Ghost, Master, Cinnabone's father. I sat in my bury. In the seat. Funeral start about 11 o'clock. So by about, when the funeral done, because no matter what time it done, when it done, so me a shot go Holland and Knibb school Saturday. Over Holland. Next week Tuesday, yeah, man, States. Yeah, man, next week Tuesday, I'm going to be my first States match. States and BB Cook over States in the seat. And the other, and next week Wednesday, and Knibb and D.Cup will be over Knibb. So I go try if you cover Chilani schools them, St. Elizabeth same way. And some school in Westmoreland same, in Westmoreland like Mannings and Froome. I know so me have me have some people in my contact, you know. They will support me in a West same way, you know. So I have to just, yeah man. So I just certain things said. I don't talk much right now because I do my center circle. I go see how I go do my thing this year still, but I go cover the schoolboy football by my own terms. And I want the man them know say, you know, all the past D.Cup players them who me know from States, from William Knibb, from Muschett, and from Cedric Titus, you know, see, even from Alan. I know say, if I book a ball, I know I want an interview, you know, brother. I want an interview, you know. I demand them who can talk about. More time you can even come to me and give me an interview. Because when you perform good in your school during your play for your school and you perform well, you can make man know the best moment when you used to play for States and Knibb and all them sitting the best moment, how much goal you score and how long you play schoolboy football for. Because you can make your voice heard upon the voice of Bed Miller, because the voice of Bed Miller is mainly all about sports, mainly. Sports and entertainment, especially sports, when it comes on to football and track and field. So I know I go see content upon content. I go see content because I got enough interviews with all the past. You see me I touch our states all. You see me touch our states when? Next week Tuesday. You see our Starry and Google in a seat and D-Man in a seat. Who again? I normally see a match more time. All of them man, you better hide from me, you know. You better hide from me, you know, because you see me buck, you know. You have to give me an interview, you know. You see all the one all star him. I see my man, especially Google. The first man from States me want for an interview in a Google, you know. The general Google, you know. Because I know say go there match. I know say enough man go there match next week, Tuesday. States and BB Coke. And that's me go, that's the first game you see. Because States are play Magati today, but you know, say boy, me think base at Trelawney now, so me have to dance, so me can't reach States and Magati match. States are play Lakova Saturday at States. States are got Magati today. And States are play Lakova Saturday down at States. Me can't reach us neither because me a funeral figure. I'm going to go a match in my area. But come next week, Tuesday, fly higher, fly lower. States and BB Coke can't miss me. And Gogo, me general Gogo, me want an interview with you, you know. You're the first man I want to interview, you know. Come when you tell me your days at States, you know. The youngest States captain ever lived with the Augusta Cup, you know. You know, see it. It's all the money from 2015. Me want, as long as they're Jamaica, me want an interview with them and them. At that me go concentrate on mainly. Me go video match on the foot, you know. Me go do some video clippings on the foot and no argue them things, but it's all about me want the man to know the passion and the love for the school and the push out. Yeah man. Same thing goes for Knibb school ball as them same way. Any past Knibb school ball me buck on a match. I have to get an interview from the man, you know. Because when you give an interview, you know, that they go remain on the voice of Bed Miller, you know. I'm going to keep the interview clean and on certain levels that youngsters can hear when I come from. I want to do on the performance of playing for the school. You know, see it. So what I say now, I go sign out now because I just come on the beach, the sun hot. I'm going to go jogging before I go home and prepare for going to Muschett. Muschett me thing there today. Muschett and Knibb. All road lead to Muschett today, no man. Come on see what Muschett are coming because Muschett never did play last year, which is 2022. Knibb give Muschett 10 love 2 times. So I go see what go take place. I want to know, say, you see me, you know, go see me how me go flex. Because you see the 4 Trelawney schools them, Knibb, Muschett, Cedric Titus and Alan, them four school and mine school them, because them four school support me. In my photographing business, in some way or the other. And that's it. So me now really, me wish the four school my best. I made the two best team come out of the seat. Because I want the two team from children come out of the zone. I made the two best team come out from children out of the zone. But I just love same way. Because I approach things different right now. Because I used to play for Knibb now. I used to go on Knibb now. But that's still not saying I love Muschett same way now. Because Muschett have done a lot for me now. Since I take picture now. You know, see it. So the title same way. And especially at Allen High School same way right now. So I'm glad to know about the four children on the team now in the thing. And the youth say my children play football again. Hope so they can keep it up and can maintain it. Because it seems like we have two teams for children. You know, see, go play for the Premier League. That are Duncan's United and Falmouth United. So I just think that. So the vibes, the ball vibes, the back in a Trelawney again. So I hope they can keep it and maintain it. And I'm going to try to cover as much we can cover and highlight you them, take all picture. Because I create a new page, you know, a new Facebook page, you know. Name the Voice of Bedmiller, see me like how the YouTube channel name the Voice of Bedmiller. So all is still picture them. I go match and I see a baller, a great baller, a famous baller, I take a picture with him. I go post it on the YouTube. No, I go post it on my Facebook page. Yeah man. Yeah man, the Voice of Bedmiller. That's my new Facebook page. All is still picture them I go on there so. Because most sports picture, most D.Cup picture I go post on it. So I take a picture of the baller, you see it. You just go up on the page, you go take off it. That's how I'm going to use it. Because I want to catch as much individual pictures and team pictures. You can't take action picture again. Because I go the video in. So I can't video and take action picture. So days of taking action picture, cut out. Because I walk on camera again. You know. When you come out to sporting events and football games and matches, I walk with camera again, I phone me use. The 23 Ultra and the 24 Ultra, them go use and take picture. You know, see it. During the D.Cup Cup season. I don't walk it, coming on chopping with no heavy load, brother. You can't bother the heavy load for me again. I just strictly phone me go roll it. I see a good baller, a famous baller. You know, see, because I got Muschett today, I never go see a man like Bucky and him man there. You know, see it. A man like Garrel and him man there, and you know, see it. Yeah man and them pass Muschett players there. I don't see that man go pass through a match. Because Muschett first match, everybody go come a first match. And I go there to cover the man them and take the man in pictures. Because I spend some nice time amongst Muschett. And matter of fact, when I go to Muschett, I go talk about my vibes and Muschett. Because I do want to go center circle and Muschett. But the Muschett, yeah man. So as I say, the D.Cup season start. Today my first coverage. Muschett and Knibb. You know, see it. So I wish, you know, see it. I say me the best team won. You know, see it. You know, see it. Me the best team win his zone, and me the better team win today. There's one love same way. When you play no football, when you war against no warring thing and no fighting thing, you know, play no football and make the school proud, and make yourself proud, make your family proud, and make your friends them proud. I wish all the team them children, you know, children all the best. You know, see it. And I wish States all the best. Because you know say, I'm telling you brother, when you come on to school boy and football, States is my first love. The first high school me go. And the first high school me play D.Cup for. When I was 14 years old. And back in the days, you know, you used to play that because when I was 14 years old. And I played when I was 14 years old with States. Although one match we play in a state, but more proud and honored to me. I little you to play ball against some big man. In time, the all man at 20 years old play D.Cup in time back in the days. I mean a little boy at 14. Because most of the side, I mean, most of some of the schools used to have some overage player. You feel proud. You can talk about my D.Cup past too. Because I go talk now and then on the Voice of Bedmiller. So as I say, one love, and I say it. Let me do some jogging now and prepare. Yeah man, to go up on the match later. Alright. Adidas kid is out. One love. Always one love according to Bob Marley. One love. Yeah.